Hello guys, today I'm gonna go and trade. I really want a neon frost dragon, and guys, I traded my neon kangaroo for a neon owl, and I traded my neon owl for a neon turtle, and that girl has my neon turtle, and she gave me a neon crow, and I traded that neon crow for a neon parrot. Hey, I really wanted. Oh, Gamer Galaxy, come on, let's put my neon parrot on the trade, and hope we get a. Um. Oh. Okay, that was not a good thing. What's that? Is that neon? Wait. What? It's not even stopping. Bad biggest. Don't. Oh, that's a neon. That is neon. Whoa. Good pet. Let's see if she adds. I really want that too. Let's go to the trading island. And this is a rich server. Now I know how to find rich servers. Okay then guys, let's go and trade people. Um, I'm looking for a neon frost dragon. It's my dream, but oh, there's a neon frost dragon. Let's go after it. Let's go track down it. Who is she? And let's put my neon. Um, oh, it's neon. What neon? Even uni? I think if she adds another neon legend, oh, she declined. Shit, bro. Come on, let's give him a trade. Okay, let's trade him. Okay, girl. Oh no, she's not giving it. She has a giraffe cool pet. And let's see, hands. I really want to see that evil unicorn. That evil unicorn was very cool. She has it. Okay, OMG, that's a good evil unicorn. But it really looks like a normal unicorn, doesn't it? Yeah. Moody has one named Cloudy. It is cool. Not the best pets. It's not even as rare as the neon parrot, I guess. Yeah. I don't even know what to do. First, I will go to trade. Oh, she's my friend. I gave her my neon turtle. No, she's not. She's a different person. Okay, first let's see. I think I'm gonna hatch an egg. No, what was that? It's better to offer than what is he saying? Okay, let's go. Let's ride my parrot. Um. Okay, who is she? I don't even know her. Come on, let's go with my neon parrot. So cool. I really love the neon parrot. Oh, neon queen bee, a cool pet. I wish I had a neon queen bee. No, I wish I had a neon frost dragon because frost dragon is very cool. I don't even like the shadow dragon as much as the frost. Hmm, where is? There's no frost. I just hate the golden eggs. And I like the golden eggs. I don't like the golden pets. What am I saying? I don't like the golden rat tricks. I just really love this trick, the big one. I just love this trick. Oh, he looks so cool. Not even trading any. I really think this looks like a normal evil unicorn, doesn't it? Because it's daytime. That's why. Candy corn. What a bad name for a bad dragon. Let's trade this girl with the neon turtle. Is she my friend? She's my friend, I guess. No, she's not. Trading neon turtle for neon unicorn? What? That's not even worth that, lady. Neon turtle is worth way more than that. Girl with neon ginger? What? So crowded here. This is a very good server. I really like. Oh my OMG! I really want that evil unicorn, but it's not worth a neon parrot. Lady, don't follow me. You just have a turtle. The turtle's not worth it. And let's check the tricks of this pet. Come on, let's just give a final trade to this girl with the neon frost dragon, and let's go. Let's go to another place and we will see the tricks of the parrot. I just really love the parrot. I like when it flies. It's not a little good, and I didn't even notice that its tail is neon too. Have you seen the mega neon parrot? I just don't like it. It's one of the worst mega neons I've ever seen. I really like the giraffe. That was a very good pet. Okay, let's ride this. Let's ride. Oh, it's looking. Is it ready? Come on, ride. Oh, now it's ready. Let's do trick. Sit, lay down. What? Headstand. I didn't even knew that. Oh, oh, that's a good one. I think he's like eating stuff. Okay, beg. We have already seen that. He looks so cool. Okay, lay down. How does he lay down? Let's see. Come on, lay down. Oh, I think he's dead. Lol. Let's dance one. Come on, Parrot, dance. Dance, my boy. Oh, cool moves, Parrot. Look at that. Cool moves, man. Dance too. What? This is a very good one as well. I just really love Parrot. Come on, let's go. Let's go and trade some people. This Parrot is so cool. And guys, what videos do you want me to do? I really like Adopt Me. I guess I'm gonna do Adopt Me. Is that a golden dragon? Or was a griffin? Oh, this server is such a rich server. What's that? Is that a neon? Yeah, that's the thing. Yes, that's the thing. Let's trade him, I think. Let's see. Okay, let's put the parrot on the trade. Let's see if he wants to trade. I don't think so. If he adds, I'm gonna accept. Oh no, he doesn't. Guys, is the neon parrot worth the neon evil unicorn? I'm not. Oh, what's that? That's a good uni. I guess then the main evil unicorn is better than the other. And there are guys, there are around 4 unicorns in the whole game. So can you tell me which one is the best in your opinion? I guess my game's lagging. No, it's not. Okay, in my opinion, the best pet is let's see. The best unicorn is the evil unicorn. I really love the evil unicorn. That's my favorite. And after the evil unicorn, I really love the normal unicorn. And after that, I really like the diamond unicorn. And after, I don't really, I just hate the golden unicorn. It's rare, but look at that girl with the neon crow. The neon crow she has, it's mine. That's my neon crow. I traded her, and she had this parrot. And that's I really love this evil uni. Let's see if he adds, then I'm gonna accept. Such a cute parrot Skittles. Hey, let's go to my house then first. Okay, let's reset. I really love Adopt Me. Let's turn on the music as well. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Yeah. Goodbye. Yeah, well. And guys, if you're supporting my my Roblox group, which is Savage Gaming, so please okay, sorry, if you're following my group, um, which is Savage Squad, if you want to follow that group, please go and wear this 3-piece suit and write savage squad in your names. And I'm still a member of the Don't Trip Army. Don't Trip Army is the best army in the whole world of Roblox. But if you want to join my army, yeah, if you want to join my army, please go and wear this 3-piece suit. Okay, what happened, guys? I'm wearing Jeremy's merch, but it is not working. Okay, what's wrong with it? Jeremy's merch is not working. Oh, it is, but it has the shorts. That's why I can't wear it. Come on, style, you know. Okay, and I really miss my No, I don't miss I just hated my kangaroo. I just want another pet, and here is the pet. Oh, I just love you. Let's see how do you eat. He's eating like so fast. Come on, eat quickly. You need a bath as well. And guys, I'm gonna show you my inventory. I have these petware, and I am doing a giveaway of one of these petware. Just tell me which one do you want. I'm gonna do a giveaway. I'm just gonna pick it from the comment sections. Just keep leave your Roblox ID down. I'm gonna add you. It looks so cute when sleeping. Okay guys, the video duration has been too long. Bye bye, and see you in another video. Peace out, Savage Squad.